today we're at Grand Hyatt in the Grand Kitchen buffet, and we're celebrating my mother's birthday. Hooray! Now let's take a look at the food. I might get this one later. Mommy, Dad. I need bread, butter. So let's get a plate. This is a long plate. A piece of butter, then we'll go back. I might not get a lot of stuff because I'm trying to get all the stuff. I want to do something else, but I want to. Oh my god. And then, I'm over here. Oh my god, I can't believe I took this. Oh, some deep dish pizza. Try one. I'm trying to go and get milk, but not milking. Because, let's go back. Okay. So I'm gonna ask for some normal stuff, but this one here, you can use this too. She's child. So now let's eat some bread. Grab a piece of bread. And grab your butter. You know, eating bread makes me want to jog.
Easy.
I'm gonna eat that later, but I can't eat too much. Cramps. Okay. My bone cracked. Bread, butter, normal. Next, we have Okay, so now we're gonna walk the other way. And walk. So these are our cheeses. So we're gonna get some Gouda, one piece of Gouda, one piece of elemental. I'll get a brie. I don't want to do it. I'll get some pastrami. Just cause I like pastrami. Alright, we'll go back and we'll try these first. Alright. Cheese. No. I'll get some plate. Not really small. Alright. So, we'll do one. Out is hot. Not really. Why not over exaggerate so much? What if I get kind of chicken, right? That's more good. I've got some. I'll get some sauce with the capsule. Just put it on the side. But not so much. Yeah. Look at face. Alright, we'll go back. Wait, so no. Thank you. Your sauce. Oh, not any sauce. Good. That's all. Next. Okay. The battery's good. But this, the hot dog, kind of mid. Okay. Now, let's go with some strong cooking sauce. Two. We're gonna like hot sauce. You know, I really should have eaten this at home. I was trying everything. I got really I think my God, I'm staying. We'll go finish this and I'm going to go. Wait, let's go back down. I told some rails. And then, oh yeah, I think, it hurts. Back to that one out. Where do I? Make some more. Okay, go. I'm scared to go. Where am I going? Okay, first, let's go to the Bobby kebab, steamed rice. Okay, I need to get a plate. I think this plate's gonna be too small. I'm gonna get seconds for this. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, there. I can eat 6 slices. What do you think? I'm very hungry. 6 slices. She's so shy. People are great. Let's go, y'all. Yay! Okay, now finally we get back to eating. Wow, I'm so American. Hold on, bro. I'm trying to eat. Let me try this first. It's kind of hard. Oh, Singapore. Okay. So very dry.
Salmon.
It's good. But it's dry. Not protein. I might not need protein for days. It's very dry after. Why does it stick? Oh! So much things. Why does it stick? Hold on. Mother, you really should eat some protein. Ah. Chocolate and beef. Did you have some beef? We'll get it together. Alright, we're gonna go back with our food after I finish this piece of dry meat. God, it's not as much smoke. I'm moving so fast. Hold on, let me just plate. I'll get some cheese. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Those in case it's like what happened to the beef. Alright, now, not bad. Okay, eat so much, and I'm already full. How am I already full? I don't know how to do it. What is that? I got some capital mayonnaise. Adult. Let me get some of this. Because it looks good. It really just does. Oh. And then I'm gonna look at it first. Look at this. Alright. Buy a piece of cake.
Be more careful.
Few crunchy bits. See the layers? Yeah. Good on. I like the bottom part. Crunchy. Real crunchy. And then I started thinking about basketball. Then I realized the eggs from the sushi look like a basketball. Alright, so gusto tayo kasi I feel full. Like I can't bear one more sip of water. Yeah. I really do. Alright. See you mga basketball players dyan. Ang pangit-pangit natin. Bye-bye.